Hey guys, what if I told you I'm not real? That's right. The voice, the face you're seeing right now, all AI. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own digital clone so you never have to film yourself again. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just camera shy, this system lets you automate everything, from writing scripts to voiceover to full avatar videos. And the best part? You only need to do it once. After that, your digital twin does the talking for you.
If you have ever wanted to produce content daily without filming yourself every time, this tutorial is for you. By the end of the video, you will have your own AI avatar set up, complete with your voice and fully integrated into a workflow that runs on autopilot using n8n. We will start by going to HeyGen. Once you sign up, head to Avatar Creation section. You will be prompted to record a short 2 to 5 minute video of yourself looking into the camera, speaking naturally, and using hand gestures. This is what HeyGen uses to train your customer avatar. Be expressive, smile, use your hands. The energetic your footage, the better your avatar will look. Next, record a quick permission message to allow HeyGen to use your likeness. After submission, the platform will process everything and create your avatar and voice clone. Now that I have already created an avatar, we will jump into n8n directly. Open a new workflow and drop an HTTP request node. We will use HeyGen's Create Avatar Video API, which lets you programmatically tell your avatar what to say. You will need to grab your API key from the HeyGen setting, then create authentication in n8n as a header authentication with the key name X-API key. For that purpose, first of all, go to HeyGen API reference. Since we are creating our avatar video, choose this option with a post request, and here you can see the complete interface of what we need to put in our HTTP request node. Copy the curl command and paste it to n8n HTTP request node. Once it's imported, all the feeds are automatically populated. We just need to replace it with our API key and change the body structure, as the one HeyGen sends a little bit confusing. So remove the existing body and paste this. Don't worry, the complete blueprint will be shared in a free Facebook community. Once everything's set up, we need to add the avatar ID, voice ID, and the script which avatar will say. Go back to HeyGen, hit avatars, and here you'll find your avatar ID. Copy and paste it here. Similarly for voice, hit AI voice and copy voice ID. Paste it to HTTP request body. Okay, so now we will add some nodes, which is nothing but just a Tavli request to get daily news, and AI agent which will generate a short script for every news or anything getting from the Tavli node. We will feed the output of AI agent into HeyGen HTTP request node. Now that we have avatar, voice, and script, hit test step. It will give you a video ID. Now that we have requested HeyGen to generate a video for us, it will take some time to process. To get the video status, go back to HeyGen API reference and click on Retrieve Video Status. Copy the curl command, add an HTTP request node, and paste it here. In the query parameters, add the voice ID from the previous node. Now if we hit the test workflow, this node will tell us the status, either waiting, processing, or completed. For that purpose, we will add a wait node after this HTTP node, let's say of 30 seconds, so that this node will only execute once video is generated. Perfect. Open the link generated to see what HeyGen has created for us.
Up waste disposal limits at landfills to speed up fire cleanup.
Okay. Amazing. Okay, so let's say if the generation is taking longer, we will add an if node followed by the HTTP request to check the video status. Set the value if status is equal to completed. Watch the lowercase and uppercase. If any, it has to be as it is. If the condition is true, we will leave it as it is, or maybe if you want to upload directly on YouTube or anywhere else, you can attach your desired node here, but for demo, I will just leave it as it is. If condition is false, we will add another wait node, let's say 5 seconds, and connect it back to HTTP request node. This forms a loop and it ends when the status of video changes to completed and the condition gets true. This is called polling, and it ensures that the process doesn't move until or unless the video is actually finished. Now let's go full autopilot. Add a schedule trigger to run this workflow every morning. Use a Google search for automation like Tably to grab headlines or social content. Summarize it into a short script using OpenAI or Claude and pass that text into your avatar. Boom. Daily content, hands free. This is the actual output. No camera, no mic, no editing, just script, avatar, and publish. I have packaged everything into a plug and play n8n template, including the API setup, weight, polling logic, and voice avatar input. That's how you create your own AI content engine using HeyGen and n8n. Whether you want to scale social media content, automate client updates, or just clone yourself for fun, the sky's the limit. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next automation.